Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anup and today in the JavaScript tutorial I'll discuss about all these methods. In my previous video I had discussed these three methods. So if you haven't watched my previous video, so I will suggest you to go and check that video. So first of all I'll discuss about getDay method. So for that purpose I will go to the HTML file and inside the script tag I will write one variable where you can use consolate anything whatever you want. And now here the variable name is dt means the short form of date. Okay, that variable name I have written, but if you want you can write anything. Now here I will write new and date. This is the date object. So this one predefined JavaScript method. In my previous video I had already discussed, if you write like this way, so in this variable you will get the current date. Okay, so now I will console and I will print this dt. Now save and I will go to the preview. So you will get current date in the console. So here you can see I am getting current date and time. So now I will use this getDay method. Okay, so I will copy the method name from here and here just I will write another variable. So the variable name I will write output. By the way, this variable name also you can write anything. And from this dt, because in this dt variable I am getting the current date, so from this dt variable I want to extract getDay. Okay, means this one getDay. So now what is the use of this getDay method? So if you want to know how many days in a week, so you can use this getDay method. Okay, so I will console this output variable now. So let's see here 6, but you are thinking in a week there is 7 days, but I am getting 6. Why? Because here we are getting as an array, and here if I write the date here as an array like this, so it first is Sunday, then Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, then Thursday, and then Friday, then Saturday. Okay, so here see how many days. Here if you count from here to here you will get 7, but we know array position start from 0, right? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, so that's why we are getting 6. Now if you want, so you can add plus 1 here with output plus 1, so you will get the 7 days. Okay, so this way you can get the date. So now I will use this getHours method. So getHours, getMinutes and getSeconds. So those three methods you can use to make a clock. Okay, so let's see the getHours method first of all. So from this date now I want to get the current hours. Okay, and I will remove this one. So now output I have written only, and now I will go to the preview and see now it's a 12. Okay, 12 p.m. so I'm getting 12. Okay, don't focus on the here in my laptop date because it is wrong actually. Now it's a 12, so I'm getting 12, and this one not recur, so I'll remove that one. Okay, so now here if I want to get minutes, so I'll get the minute as well. So just instead of getHours I will write minutes, and here see 13 minutes. And now same way if I want to get the second, so here I can get the second as well. Okay, see 51 second. I'll refresh, so see second is increasing, right? So this way you can create one clock. I'll show you that one also, how you can create the clock. So to create a clock, first of all I need hours, then minutes, then seconds. So here just I'll copy this hours, and now here I will paste instead of seconds, and here variable name I will write hours, and now just I will copy that one and here I will paste, and instead of hours now I will write minutes. Okay, and here I will copy this getMinutes method, this one, and now again I will copy and paste. Now I need seconds, and here just I'll copy this method name and I'll paste here. So now here, if I console hours, minute and second, let's see what I'll get. So I'll console as in format basis. Okay, here like this. So plus, then this is string, so I write like this, and again minutes, then plus, then like this, then plus, and then this one seconds. Okay, now let's see the output. See, 12, 18, 25. Now if I refresh, see, this second is increasing, right? 1 second will reach to 60, means 1 minute, so this one will be 18 to 19. See, now 43, 44. So still I'll refresh, and here second will increase, and once it will go reach up to 60 second, then minute will change to 18 to 19. Okay, let's see it is working or not. See, it is 19, but I'm refreshing, right? But without refresh, how can I do that? But before that, instead of console, I'll print here. Okay, so for that purpose, inside body tag, here I will write p tag 1, or okay, p tag is fine, and here I'll write one id. So id name I'll write clock. Okay, and now here I'll take one variable var, and variable name I'll write cl. Cl means the short form of clock. And now the document dot get element by id. This is very simple thing I already discussed in my previous video, so that's why I'm not explaining here. And I'll take this variable clock, and now here, instead of printing here in console, just I'll take this cl variable, and here I'll write equals to, and just I'll cut it from console, and I'll paste here, and I'll remove the console. Okay, now let's see. Okay, here I have to write cl dot inner html. Okay, like this. See, here it is printed. Now I have to just, here I'm refreshing, it is changing, but now I have to do without refresh, automatically it will update. So for that purpose, we have one method which is set interval. So here I will write set interval. This function call automatically. Okay, so if you set the time, so after that time this function will call automatically again and again. So I'll write like this way. So this is the syntax. You can follow the syntax: parenthesis, then again parenthesis, and after this parenthesis, here you have to write like this. And here I will set the time. I will set the time is 100, because I need the second value as well. If I would write 1000 means it's a millisecond. Okay, so here after 100 millisecond, our second value will change. So now all the function I will just cut it from here, and I will paste inside this one, and right click and format. Okay, so now what it will happen, every time date means current date will update, hours will update, and second will update after 100 millisecond. Okay, now save, and here is the error, hours is not defined. Okay, sorry, this one also I have to write inside this. I forgot to cut and paste here. So now here you can see second is changing, right? And here once it will reach up to 60 second, this minute value will change 23 to 24. So I will wait, and here you can see it is changing or not. See, it is changed to 24, right? So our stopwatch, you can say, or clock, you can say, it is done. And now I'll discuss about get milliseconds. What is the purpose of use? So now here I'll remove this set interval method, because this is not required, and I'll remove that one. And also I'll remove, and again I will change the variable name is output, and here I'll console log this output variable. Okay, and now here just I'll copy this milliseconds and I'll paste here. So here millisecond means I'll get the date and time by digit value. Okay, let's see, then you can understand, and I'll explain where you can use that one. See 596. Okay, so this is our date and time value, but we are not getting date and time format, we are getting as a digit value. So here when we can use now this one. So suppose you have to compare, one date and time. So date and time we get, like suppose 20 date is 22, we get like this way, right? This kind of format we get 1998 something, right? We get this kind of format. So now, and here if you want to compare with this, suppose 30 and 02 and then 2024. Okay, so suppose you want to compare this, so you can't compare like this way. So that time we convert the date into a millisecond value, and after that we can compare. So I hope it is clear. If you still have doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will try to explain. And now the last one is get time. So let's see this method. Get time. Now I will console. See, I am getting the time same as a digit. So if you want to compare the get time also with another time, so same way you can write this get time. Okay, so those two just used to comparing purpose. Okay, so I hope it is clear. If you still have doubt, you can write in the comments, and if you find this video helpful, so please like this video, also subscribe my channel to get more updates in JavaScript.